Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans closed mixed on Thursday following the USDA's new supply, demand, and production numbers. USDA did lower the outlook for Argentina on soybeans while increasing Brazil slightly, but Brazil is still below last year's record crop at this point. On the domestic side of things, USDA did lower the export projection, but they raised the crush use guess. Corn closed higher, supported by lower production numbers for both Argentina and Brazil, in addition to lower than expected U.S. ending stocks on increased feed, fuel, and export demand estimates. Corn's also watching U.S. conditions ahead of widespread planting, with prospective planting numbers out at the end of the month. And wheat was mixed, basically just consolidating. The USDA numbers again confirmed the bearish fundamental outlook. Live and feeder cattle closed sharply lower on long liquidation and at least some disappointment over this week's direct cash cattle business. Trade has basically been steady with last week, but it's at the bids, nowhere close to the asking prices really right now. Trade's been light to moderate, with some business likely left to be done still. Feeders had additional pressure from the higher move in corn. And hogs were mixed, mostly lower on spread trade supporting the nearby contract, while the rest of the months were down under another round of cash and wholesale pressure. Pork was sharply lower at midday, including another big drop in the belly primal. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.